Going guys, this is Daniel with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. I'll be replacing the bottom part of the JBL Xtreme speaker. If this repair seems difficult, I would recommend sending your speaker into our repair center to be repaired by a professional. You can also purchase the necessary parts and tools for your repair linked in the video if you want to try this yourself. So let's begin. I'll be using these parts here and the replacement part they can purchase on our website right here. To begin this repair, flip the speaker upside down, open the zipper up, and find these 3 screws right here. Once you have unscrewed those 3 screws, proceed to unclip the part like this. When that happens, you can grab your replacement part, put it in. These clips go in first. Just like that. Once you have done that, you can proceed to screw the screws back in. Once you have finished, zip this up, flip it over, and you have repaired the bottom side of the JBL Xtreme speaker. Thank you for watching.